Welcome to ABC Service, your go-to destination for quality, affordable, custom-built PCs in Tavistock, Plymouth, Okehampton, and across the UK. Whether you're a gamer, graphic designer, developer, or a business professional, we have the perfect solution for you. At ABC Service, we pride ourselves on delivering maximum performance and efficiency tailored to your specific needs. For the gaming enthusiasts, we offer a range of options to suit all budgets. From budget-friendly models to the most powerful gaming rigs, our custom builds ensure an unparalleled gaming experience. Our gaming PCs boast the latest graphics cards, processors, and hardware, ensuring that your games will look and feel better than ever before. Peripherals are available on top of this for a complete gaming setup. Graphic designers, we understand the importance of a powerful machine for your creative endeavors. Our custom builds are tailored to the demands of the latest design software. Elevate your design experience with high-end components, ensuring seamless performance. Peripherals can be added to complement your design workspace. Developers, whether you're into game development or other specialized programming, we have you covered. Our custom builds are equipped with the highest performance components. Experience the power of multi-core processors, high-end RAM, and graphics cards to meet all your development needs. Peripherals can be added for a complete workstation setup. At ABC Service, we don't just stop at gaming, design, or development. We also offer custom-built business PCs with a focus on quality and reliability. Our prices reflect the minimum investment required to ensure a top-notch experience, using only new components from our trusted UK distributor. Trust ABC Service for custom builds that deliver unparalleled performance and peace of mind with branded components and excellent support.